Hey everyone, and welcome to the 12 Days of Stickers Day 8. So today's is actually one of my favorite kits, and this is the Floor Party Chic kit. This one actually has the gold foil, and I'm going to show you guys the deluxe kit for this one, since I don't believe I've shown you guys the deluxe version of the foil kits. But yeah, so this is the deluxe version, and in the gold foil, of course, there is the premium matte version without foil, and that's just the regular matte that we have in the shop without the foil. So this is the full boxes here with the gold accents, the checklist boxes, and then here are the functional boxes with the foil as well. The functional icons. And then this is the functional deco. I think I've shown a premium matte version of this one earlier in the videos, but this one is the foiled version. So it's kind of similar, except all the accents on the stickers are in foil, so you guys can see what that looks like. And then here are the washi sheets. So it does come with washi sheets, and those are foiled as well. So I have to zoom in on that so you guys can see the detailing on it. Plus the date headers are foiled, and then there's accents on the bottom of the sheet for the flags. So that is the deluxe version of the Floor Party Chic kit. It's also one of my favorite kits. But that is it for today. Make sure you check down in the description for the deal of the day. There are new releases in the shop today, so I'll link those down in the description as well, because the deal of the day is actually coincides with those. So that is it, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.